Hello everyone, today we are going to do JC2 experiment 1, which is thermometric titration using discontinuous method. The aim of this experiment is to measure the enthalpy change of neutralization. You will be given two solutions. One is Fa1, which is 1 mole per dm cube sulfuric acid. The other one is sodium hydroxide, Fa2, with unknown concentration. Okay, so your first step is to support a styrofoam cup on a 250 cm3 beaker. This is so that the cup will not topple over. Okay, then use a measuring cylinder, measure 10 cm3 of sulfuric acid. Okay, then pour the sulfuric acid or Fa1 solution into your styrofoam cup. Your next step is to measure the initial temperature of the solution in the styrofoam cup. Okay, you use a thermometer and make sure that the thermometer is completely immersed inside the solution. Okay, then wait for it to stabilize and record the initial temperature. Okay, the initial temperature in this case is around 27 degrees Celsius. Okay, so leave the thermometer inside the styrofoam cup. Then use another measuring cylinder, measure 40 cm3 of Fa2 solution, which is your sodium hydroxide. Pour your sodium hydroxide solution or Fa2 solution into the styrofoam cup. Okay. Then gently stir your solution using your thermometer. Okay, make sure the tip of the thermometer do not touch the bottom of the styrofoam cup. Okay. Wait for around 1 to 2 minutes for the solution to reach the highest temperature. Okay, then record this temperature as your maximum temperature. Okay, this will be around 34 degrees Celsius. Okay, after that, you can take out your thermometer, then rinse it with DI water. Okay. Okay, then discuss the content in your styrofoam cup and rinse it with DI water after that. Okay, repeat the above step using different volume of Fa1 solution and Fa2 solution as recorded inside your table. Okay, thank you.